In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable XML Sitemap in RankMath. An XML sitemap is a behind-the-scenes file that helps search engines discover and index your important pages faster and more reliably. RankMath can generate it for you automatically. You just need to turn it on and choose what to include. Start in your WordPress dashboard. Open the RankMath SEO menu and go to Dashboard. On this screen, you'll see a grid of modules. Find the one labeled Sitemap. If it isn't active yet, click Activate. That switches on the sitemap functionality for your site, and it makes the settings available. Next, open RankMath SEO again and click Sitemap Settings. At the top of this page is the master switch for the feature. Make sure the sitemap toggle is turned on. When it's on, RankMath will prepare your sitemap files and keep them current as your site changes. Just below, choose what types of content belong in your sitemap. Posts will include your blog posts or articles. Pages will include your static pages, like Home, About, or Contact. Categories and tags will include your archive listings. Turn these on only if you want search engines to crawl and potentially show those archive pages. If your site uses visuals heavily, you can optionally include images. This helps search engines discover images that are embedded within your posts and pages, which can be useful for image search visibility. There's no single right combination. Select what truly represents the content you want indexed. If you don't use tags, leave tags off. If you prefer a leaner index without archive clutter, keep categories off as well. If you run a smaller site, it's perfectly fine to start with posts and pages and expand later. You can always revisit this screen and adjust these choices without causing issues. When your selections look good, scroll to the bottom and click Save Changes. RankMath will instantly generate the sitemap files based on your choices. From now on, as you publish, update, or remove content, these files update automatically, so you don't have to maintain them manually. This setting doesn't change how your site looks to visitors. It simply creates structured files that search engines read behind the scenes. RankMath also organizes the sitemap into sections per content type you enabled, making it efficient for crawlers to process. And that's it. You enabled the sitemap module, turned on the main feature, chose the content types that matter for your site, and saved your settings. With that, your site has a clear, machine-readable map that helps search engines find your content efficiently.